Hey everyone, my name is Adrian. I'm technically the face of ABC Garage. I do all the filming, the editing, and all the back-end work for the videos. But in today's video, I kind of wanted to give you a backstory on how ABC Garage was created and also just a 2021 build update on my Mazda 6. So the name ABC Garage comes from the initials of me and my brothers. Since we knew from the start that our YouTube channel was gonna revolve around cars, we just kind of compiled our initials and then put garage in front of it. And that's because initially we were planning to just do installs that we did on our own cars, but...
And this one appears to be fine.
It already looks kind of lower. It does.
It ended up kind of becoming something more where I was filming other people's installs, their builds, and even like races between two different cars.
Oh, okay, interesting.
In the beginning, we were not super consistent. Like the first 6 months to a year, the uploads were very sporadic. We really didn't have any kind of direction, but we eventually started to pick up some traction. And that's when I decided to get on a more consistent upload schedule, and I started uploading twice a week. And it also helped that my network and the connections I made in the car community was starting to show, because people were really down to collab and, you know, have their builds filmed, and just they always hit me up to film whenever they were doing car stuff. So that helped with the content flow, and that's kind of where we are at today. So the reason I got the Mazda 6 was, for one, it was how unique it was. You don't see as many Mazda 6s on the street and on the freeways as you do with Hondas and Toyotas. Nothing against those cars, they're great cars. But when I was looking for my new commuter, I was looking for something more unique. But also, I fell in love with how it looks on the outside. The Mazdas, at least the newer ones, they're really known for, you know, how stylish they look and sporty they look. So when I was shopping around, at first I was looking at Mazda 3s, but I kind of thought to myself, those are a little bit on the smaller side. So I was like, what should I look for instead? So I went from the Mazda 3 to the Mazda 6. And then eventually, while I was narrowing down my search for Mazda 6, I fell in love with the soul red color that Mazda is known for. And I saw a really good deal, and I knew I had to go and get it. And then, you know, ever since then, I've been falling in love with how it looks and how it drives. And it kind of gives you a connected feeling with the road because of the handling. And, you know, with all the mods that I've done to it, I really made it my own. And I just continue to love driving it every day. So let's get into my updated 2021 build. So not much has changed from 2020, but the two major updates that I do have are the MV tuning body kit and a custom single exit exhaust. So starting out with the front lip, I got the whole body kit paint matched, which I believe was the best idea because it looks really good, especially during the daytime. So let's go over to the side skirt, which is gonna be right here. It makes the body line stick out a little bit more, and it increases the aggressive look when you're looking at it from the side. And then let's go over to the custom single exit exhaust, which all I did was swap out the OEM resonator with a 2.5-inch Vibrant resonator. And then I got it straight piped all the way to a 4-inch exhaust tip, which sounds really good.